Make sure you bring your knees all the way up for 2 minutes. Slow jog, 1 minute. Get a chair, speed squat, fast as you can for 1 minute. Here we go. This is a slow squat. You're doing this for 1 minute. Control, chest up, core tight. As soon as your butt touches the seat, you go right back up. Squeeze your quads. Next movement. Squat, up, chest up. Squat, up, core tight, 1 minute. All right, next one's called squat hold. You're gonna hold it for 5 seconds. You're gonna do 10 rounds. This is how it looks. Chest up, core tight. You're gonna go up. You're gonna hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. You're gonna sit down for 3 seconds. You're gonna back up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. That's 2. 1, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. You're doing this 10 times. All right, next movement is a lunge supported by the chair. I want your chest up, core tight. I want you to drop the back leg down. Do not let your knee go over your toe. All right, 10 reps. Chest up. After 10, switch. Next one, you're gonna sit on the edge. I want your one leg to be straight, toes pointed up. We're gonna do some flutter kicks. Up, and you're kicking it up. Doing this for 30 seconds. Core tight, chest up, okay? There you go, right here. Once you're done for 30 seconds, you flip it. Yeah, I know this is my favorite. Get on the edge, chest up, core tight, knee ups, right here. All right, you do this for 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, once you're done with this for 1 minute, you're going to take a 45-second break, and then you're going to do it again. 3 rounds of that whole entire thing. All right? See ya.